Once again, hi everyone. My name is Monica and I look after customer success at Sales Handy. And today I will be talking about DKIM, that stands for Domain Keys Identified Mail, which is a mechanism for email authentication. So, the DKIM is basically an email authentication record that allows the receiver to know whether a particular email was indeed sent by an authorized sender. So now, how does it work? Let me explain it to you that a DKIM record gives your emails a digital signature that gets added to your email header and is secured with encryption. The DKIM record consists of two keys. One is a private key that is stored confidentially by the sender's email provider, and the second is a public key that the recipient email server can retrieve from the sender's DNS. So, when an email is received, the recipient's email server uses the public key to verify the DKIM signature in the email header. And if the email is sent by an authorized sender, the DKIM check gets successful. So, DKIM plays a vital role in your email deliverability, and that is why it is strongly recommended to set up DKIM if you are using a business email that has a domain attached. Now, the point is, how can you check whether your business email has a valid DKIM signature or not? And there are many ways to validate DKIM for any domain. But I will be sharing the simplest way to check whether an email account has a DKIM set or not. So, we will open this mail tester website for that. When you open it, it will show you an email address like this. All you need to do is send an email to this shown email address from the email address that you wish to check DKIM for, and that is why I'll send a test email to this email address. So once the email is sent, we can check the score for that email and you will find many insights into your deliverability. And here is the score. To check DKIM, you need to open up the authentication part and you will be shown whether your DKIM is valid or not. Here it is written that your DKIM signature is valid with a green tick mark. So, if you figure out that your email does not have a valid DKIM signature, you should set it up as soon as possible as it may affect your deliverability in the longer run. So now is the time for how to set up a DKIM record for your domain. So the steps to set up a DKIM record may vary depending upon the email service provider you are using. Here we'll be covering Gmail in this video as Gmail is the most commonly used email service provider these days, and in case if you have any other email service provider, I suggest you contact their support team and they will assist you in the DKIM setup for your account. So to set up a DKIM for a Gmail account, you need to have access to the DNS manager of your domain as well as the admin console of your Google Workspace account. So to set up a DKIM record, first you need to log into the admin console of your Gmail account. To log into the admin console, you need to log into the Gmail account for which you are setting up the DKIM. Click on the six dots and here is the admin console. When you click on this button, you will be navigated to the admin console here and choose the apps option and then choose the Google Workspace option. Click on the Gmail option here. Scrolling down a bit, you need to click on the authenticate email button. Then from here, you need to choose the domain that you want to generate the domain key for. Here your primary domain will appear by default. In other cases, you need to select the domain from the drop-down arrow under domain. Then you need to click on the generate new record button and click on the generate button without changing anything in the pop-up. The text box here displays the information that is used to update the DNS record, and once you generate the domain key here, you need to add it to your DNS. So I'll be copying the host name, and this is the DNS hosting provider where my domain is hosted, which is saleshandyteam.com. Clicking on the DNS option here, and you need to click on the manage custom records, the create new record, and pasting the key under the host name button. As DKIM is a TXT type record, we need to choose this. Without changing this, we need to paste here this TXT record value, the whole value, and you need to hit on save button. So once you are done with setting up a DKIM record in your DNS, you need to navigate to your admin console and click on the Start Authentication button. When you click Start Authentication, the DKIM record is updated for that domain. In most cases, it will be updated within a few minutes only. However, it may take up to 24 hours in rare scenarios. You can verify the DKIM through the Mail Tester website after a few minutes to check if DKIM is set or not. So, if you are having any doubts, please put them in the comment box below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe button, and I'll be coming with more insights on email deliverability. Thank you for your time. See you guys.